If you have poor credit, you may feel like you are stuck in a financial rut. You may have difficulty obtaining loans, credit cards, or even renting an apartment. But there is a solution: a secured credit card. A secured credit card is a type of credit card that requires a cash deposit as collateral. This deposit serves as your credit limit and is held by the credit card issuer until you close your account. The deposit is usually equal to the credit limit, but it can be higher or lower depending on the issuer. Step 1. Research different secured credit card options. Look for cards with low fees, high credit limits, and rewards programs. Look for cards that report to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, to ensure your payment history is accurately reflected on your credit report. Step 2. Choose a card and apply. Be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully before submitting your application. If you are denied, ask the issuer for the reason and try to address the issue before applying again. Step 3. Make your deposit and activate your card. Most issuers will require a minimum deposit of $200 to $300, but some may require more. Use your secured credit card responsibly by paying on time and keeping your balances low. This will help you build a positive payment history and improve your credit score. Step 4. Gradually increase your credit limit. As you use your secured credit card in a responsible way, some issuers may let you raise your credit limit without putting down more money. Check with your issuer to see if they offer this option and, if so, how you can qualify. Step 5. Gradually transition to an unsecured credit card. As your credit score goes up, you may be able to apply for a credit card that doesn't need a deposit and doesn't need to be secured. Be sure to compare offers and choose a card with favorable terms and a low interest rate. In addition to the steps outlined above, here are a few more tips to help you get the most out of your secured credit card. Use your secured credit card for small, regular purchases, and pay off the balance in full each month. This will help you get a better credit score by showing that you pay your bills on time. Avoid maxing out your credit card or missing payments. These things can hurt your credit score and make it harder for you to get a credit card that doesn't require a deposit or other credit products in the future. Check your credit score often to see how you're doing and where you might need to improve. Many credit card issuers offer free credit score tracking as a benefit to cardholders. With a secured credit card, you've taken the first step toward improving your credit score and being financially stable. Remember to use your card responsibly, pay on time, and monitor your progress regularly. With dedication and effort, you can rebuild your credit and achieve your financial goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.